Hearty welcome back to our SPA Maths YouTube channel. This is your Santosh. As usual, we are going to discuss our NTSC 2016-17 paper, which falls under this problem NCERT of and also SSC, TS and AP. Interesting, very simple, very easy. So let us go through it now. In the adjoining figure, triangle ABC is circumscribing a circle. Then the length of BC we have to find out. So to find out the length of the BC, here a circle has been inscribed in a triangle, or triangle ABC is circumscribed over a circle, use the same meaning. So to do this one, you should able to know the principle here. So what is our principle? We know that the length of the tangent drawn from external point of a circle is equal. So this is a point. So to do this one, I am illustrating in this way. Please go through it once. Draw a circle. So our external point is B here. Since here it is given N and L, tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal now. So 4 centimeters. This also will be our 4 centimeters according to our property. Next, in the same way here given, this is 3 centimeters and this is the vertex. A is our vertex and this also our 3 centimeters because M. Here A is our external point, NL and AM are the tangents drawn. So 3 and 3. Here, since it is 4 centimeters, B is our external point, these two are equal. Next, you have to get the value of this one now. So this is given total 9 centimeters. So since it is given 9 centimeters total, so here our vertex is C is our vertex. 9 minus 3 gives you 6 centimeters. So this is also our 6 centimeters. Since C is our external point, so tangent drawn from the external point to a circle are equal. So total it is given 9 centimeters and AM is given it is 3 centimeters and MC will be 6 centimeters because 9 centimeters minus 3 centimeters gives you 6 centimeters. And C is our external point. Here tangent drawn from the external point to a circle are equal. So CM and LC also will be equal. So from this main diagram have been explained this part. So what we have to determine, then the length of the BC we have to determine. So if you observe carefully, we have BC is equal to BL plus LC. BL is nothing but 4, LC is nothing but 6. Here it is 10 centimeters. Therefore, BC is equal to 10 centimeters. The side of the triangle here, BC is equal to 10 centimeters. So which is nothing but our A option. So in this way, no need to go through each and every step. Just remember this point. Length of the tangent drawn from the external point of a circle is equal. So whatever the tangents you are drawing from the external point to a circle are equal. So this is the main diagram. From this get this type of diagram what I have been said, especially for competitive examinations. So this plays important role, already asked in NTSC 2016-17. And it is also meant for NCERT SSC for the people of students of AP and TS. This is a question, this is a diagram given, and from the main diagram I have gone through the this diagram. I have been obtained the value of BC. So in this way we can overcome the question of competitive examinations, various Olympiads, once you have the look. So after watching the video, if you like it, please like and subscribe my channel, those who did not subscribe, so that I'll get the motivation and enthusiasm to do more and more videos. At the same time, whatever the videos you are watching, share to your friends, watch all the videos in my playlist and follow the community tab for the various updates. So thank you once again. Signing out.